The next step on this one is I want to place some components. And components mean anything like furniture, plants, all kinds of fun things. So this is all about components. I'm going to go down to my component folder. And inside my component folder, I have only a desk showing. I also have a parking place. I have a tree, a lot of different trees. These are previously loaded. All kind of these things I never use, so I don't even know what that is. Let's just say that I want to have, for example, in my living room, a couch. I'm going to go back to what I learned when I went to the windows and doors. Only this time I'm going to load a family, and this time it's going to be furniture. So I look for the furniture file, and I want to look for seating, and I want some type of a couch. So let's see. I thought I had a couch. There we are. There's a chair. There we are. Sofa. There's my sofa, and I'm going to open it, and then my sofa is going to pop up in here. There's my sofa. I look at that. I say, okay, my sofa is going to go right here, and I'm going to place my sofa right there. So there I have the first of my furnitures. I'm going to go back to my component file. I'm going to go to load family. From this time, I'm going to look underneath furniture, and let's go with seating. That's not what I wanted. I can always go back here on my purple one. Tables is what I wanted. And I can just kind of look at these and see. This one already has chairs with it, but that looks kind of big, so I don't think I really want that. Let's see if I can find one that might be a little bit on the smaller side. Let's try this one. Open. Oh, I just did the wrong one. Let's try dining oval. Open. Good. Yeah, that'll fit in here. So there's my dining room chair. There's my dining room table. And then I can go back to my component folder and load some chairs in there too. Furniture. And I'm going to go with a stacking chair. No. So sometimes you're not going to find what you like, and you just have to kind of look around in here and see, what is it that you think might be best. Annotations are obviously annotations. I've never really used boundary conditions. Cable tray I don't really know. Columns I don't use. Conduit I don't need to use. Detail items, those are kind of fun. So on detail items sometimes I can go to specialties and see what's in there. No, I'm going to go back on the purple. Furnishings, let's see what they got. Casework, which is cabinets, furnishing and accessories. I can do rugs and mats. So there's some things in there. Sometimes I'll use under equipment. No, there was one done in here that I used. Sometimes if somebody said I needed a trash compactor, then I let them use something else as a trash compactor. Another fun one is Entourage. This is really neat. So I can do a beetle car. There's a chair. I can put a woman in there. I can put a guy in there. Notebook, picture frame, a semi-truck, a van. Entourage is always a fun one. The other one I use a lot of planting. So I have some shrubs, things like that. Specialty equipment I like a lot too. Classroom library. So if I want to throw some carols in there or some shelving in there, domestic is really good. This is where I'm going to use my cooktop, my dishwasher. If you look carefully here, I've got a whole entire kitchenette, small and medium. I'm going to take this medium one and I'm going to load it. This is a great shortcut so that I can just throw the entire kitchenette into my kitchen. Hopefully it will fit. There it is. Yes. I'm in great shape. I'm going to put it up over here, and now I have my whole entire kitchen in there with some nice light. At any time, if I want to move this window, because I'm like, I want to move that window over, I can do that. I can move that window over. Oopsie. I think I just did the wrong thing, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to choose just the window, and I'm just going to move that window over just a little bit. There we go. So I'm starting to I can populate this with all of my furniture. You can go into your component folder and just find all kinds of different things. I think plumbing is where you're going to find your bathroom. I'm going to double check. Here's plumbing. Equipment. No, the water heaters I use sometimes for things. There's fixtures. Oops. bathtub. I'm going to just do this. Let's do this one. I'm going to open there. And then I'm going to place my bathtub here. Okay, so there's my bathtub, but I don't really like where that's at, so I want to flip it around. So I'm just going to, I can do this in a couple of ways. You can see how I can flip it using my arrows. I got to go back to modify. Choose my bathtub. I can flip it using my arrows. Looks like it did not work. Oh, okay, no, I have to rotate it. So I have this selected. I go to rotate, and my rotation works on like a clock. So I want to rotate it 45 degrees. That. And then I want to go to modify, select it, and I just can move it to wherever I want that to be moved. My computer's moving really slow this morning. There we go. So there's my bathtub. So I can put in all my bathroom features there. So that's how you place in furniture, and I showed you